Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to our channel Shreembeautylandsalon. Today I wanna show you armpit waxing is the 2 month growth is very different direction for the hairs. First we start the hard wax. For the bean wax is very simple and easy way apply to the wax, and then after apply the powder in the armpit. Then after apply the hard wax half the way in the armpit. Apply, be gentle, and then after let them the dry and take out, pull out in the opposite direction for the hair. You see all the hair come out the hard wax, and then after apply the hard wax another section for the hair direction. Same pattern apply and let them dry and take out the opposite direction. And the leftover the hair apply the one time more hard wax in the hair and take out the opposite direction. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. New one, thank you so much. You like this video, comment this video and subscribe this video. Same pattern we have left over the one more pattern. Apply the hard wax and take out the opposite direction. Is very simple and easy tricks for the hard wax, and skin is not too black, not too rip, not anything for the damaged skin very good condition. After skin is glowing much better, dead skin, blackness all the gone. Then after apply the wax oil and do little massage. Skin is very good condition, glowing very well. See you next video. Bye bye.